Come closer, baby, let your fingers take their time. I feel the heat you're holding when your body touches mine. You trace along my curves like you're searching for a clue. Then you wander through my grassy garden soaked with midnight dew. Let your breath get heavy, let your hands stay slow. I'll guide you where the secrets in the shadows start to glow. Tell me softly with that deep devotion. You ready, boy? My body is your ocean. Dive deeper, let me pull you where it's warm. Slide closer, feel the shivers in the storm. Yeah, breathe slower and my waves take all control. Baby, come and drown inside this deep, deep soul. Your touch along my waist sends a fever through my skin. You move through every inch like you're letting instinct win. You say you love the taste of the heat I keep unspoken. One promise from your lips and all my doors are open. Let your breath get heavy, let your lips come close. If you wanna taste me, then say it slow. Show me hunger, show your full devotion. Come swim in me, get lost inside my ocean. Dive deeper, let me pull you where it's warm. Slide closer, feel the shivers in the storm. Breathe slower, let my waves take all control. Baby, come and drown inside this deep, deep soul. Slide in, touch every hidden place. Let the petals open softly as you kiss them with your grace. If you want my fire, say it with emotion. I'll pull you in and drown you in my ocean.